Let's get it. Fuck Nation. I'm my own enemy, and it's clear to see. I'm the cause of my downfall, very close to losing all. This is how it all went wrong. Yeah. I'm my own enemy, and it's clear to see. I'm the cause of my downfall, very close to losing all. This is how it all went wrong.
Yo, it's Danny Man back with another video. Back with another variety pack opening. So yeah, let's hop into it. Let's get it. Let's hop to these pro packs. Alright, let's hop to these pro packs. Okay. We get nothing but silvers. That's how it works. Boom. Okay. In total, on this variety pack opening, it's 62 packs that we're going through. So yeah. We just went through 12 packs already. So basically 12 plus 1 is 13. So we went through 13 packs. Hey, this is traditional right here, bro. I know these pro packs are dry, but hey, they're worth something. They're not just worth nothing, so. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Tell me in the comments, have you guys pulled Curry yet? And if y'all would like, if I can, I would like to do gameplay with that Curry. If you let me hop on your guys' account, I'll be happy. I appreciate it, but I don't have Curry yet, so yeah. I do know I have what's your name, Michael Porter Jr. from the promo, so yeah. I'm just grinding for my Gasol, and then I might be grinding for Curry. Right now, I don't really need a shooting guard, but I could use a backup shooting guard, but I don't really need a shooting guard for. Once I get my Gasol, I'm gonna be good straight on all the positions on the starting lineup. So basically, if I was to get all those masters, some of those masters will be in the starting lineup, and then in the back in the other positions, yeah, on the bench lineup. So yeah, we haven't pulled any golds yet. Like, can I get some pack luck? Like, come on now. we haven't got no pack luck. When we do hop in the team packs, we have a lot of pack luck. But when it comes to these pro packs, bro, these pro packs are dry, bro. EA needs to fix that. Like, no cap. They need to go and put some stamina in there. Between 5 to 50 stamina. Actually, need to put 50 stamina in these pro packs. They did that in season 4. They did that in almost all the seasons. So I don't know why they changed. Ooh, we get 72 overall. Marcus Smart. Okay. We're heating up. Our pack luck is heating up. Alright. Okay. We're getting closer to the team packs. Hype for that. Hold on, man, guys. Alright, I'm back. Alright, we're down to our last pro pack. Alright, this is the last pro pack of this video. Can we pull a gold out of this pro pack? Boom. We don't. We pull 3 silvers. Let's hop into these team packs. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay, we get 71 overall. Avika Zubac. I don't know how to say his name. Okay. We're just looking to pull golds. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Wow, I guess. Let's see if we can pull gold here. Boom. Okay, we get 71 overall. Marvin Bagley III. Top 2 Mavericks. Boom. Okay. I do have one Game of the Night pack to open up. So yeah. Boom. Wow, we pulling nothing but silvers. Boom. Alright. Boom. The last team pack of this video. Can we pull gold? Boom. No, we don't. Pull no silver. Top 2 these. Nothing Master Claim packs. Boom. Another silver. Boom. Okay, another silver. Boom. Okay, another silver. Alright, let's hop into this Game of the Night pack. Let's see what we get. Bam. Okay, what do we get? We get another silver. We get another silver. Okay. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Subscribe if you're new. Drop a like. Comment. And comment that. Tell me if you guys pull 86 overall. Steph Curry. If you did. If you want to, or if you let me, I'd like to do some gameplay with that. So, yeah. Subscribe if you're new, drop a like, comment. See you in the next one.